Here's an idea of what you see when you first come into BackCountry Navigator XE. If you take a look here at the top left, we have a search bar here, and what you can search for is a place. For me, somewhere similar, simple and nearby, like Camas, Washington. You have a chance to add a bookmark when you choose one of those places, or not. In this case, we are looking at what is a vector map of the world called the BackCountry World Map, which comes up by default. Also in the top left, you see what's called the navigation menu, sometimes called the hamburger menu. And among the things you'll see here are trips and map. On the map, what you're getting here is a list of suggestions based on the state and or country that you're in and the place that you're looking at on the map. You can choose any of these to be a favorite, and you'll see here that there's several other favorites. They might have been chosen either here or on the web, but you can choose one of these and add it to your quick access menu. We call that pinning, or simply open it, which also will add it to that menu. And you see what you've just added here is in the quick access menu, this little part here, and you can switch between maps in the first place here in the same place. Similarly, you can go to trips and you can choose some of these to pin them to your map, so they'll be part of the quick access menu, and pin that. First of all, it's going to want us to download this trip, and what you notice here is there's a lot of trips here that were in the cloud, which meaning you might have created them from bcnavxe.com, and you want to have them here on your device. You can easily download or upload. Other thing to note is there are folders which each of these trips can be in. A trip contains both tracks and waypoints, but may be contained within a trip folder. For example, this is one we want to pin to the quick access menu. Let's see if we can download some others here. And also pin that to the quick access menu. Okay, and what we'll find is we have these trips that we've pinned. You can choose to center on one of these by choosing this icon here. Also, if you want to get a quick list of what's in this trip, you can click on its underlined name here in the quick access menu, and you see a list view of what's there, as you can find more information about some of these things. Okay, what I've been talking about here is the quick access menu, and if you've chosen maps and trips, they're here. Quick access, you can display up to 5 of these at a time. Each trip contains tracks and waypoints that are in a collection. Overlays, you don't have any yet, so we'll wait on that. Up in the upper right-hand corner, you have a rotation control. You can use it now to change between north, up, and freeform, but usually using it during navigation. You have a place to zoom in and out. You have a My Location button, which will center on your location, start navigating that way. And we have this little plus button here on the bottom right corner that will give you some more options. And some of the important options you'll see are to download a map, start recording a track, draw some items, create a new waypoint either at your current location or add a point on the screen. And that's what we have here on the front.